Hi, it's Brenda. So even though I spent so long being not recordable and editable, no, that's eatable, editable. Even though I couldn't record and fix videos for so long, I was still kind of busy. And so I thought I would show you my very dirty screen. One moment, please. Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? Might as well throw some cleaning into a non-cleaning video. You know, it's times like this when I miss the maker's claws. They actually worked quite well at this. They are currently wrapped around my wine glasses in storage. There, is that prettier? Okay, so I thought I would not show you my very dirty screen, but now my nice and sparkling clean screen, and show you what I have been doing to keep myself busy and still be somewhat productive. I made many things. Check it out. Teespring.com to do the designing. I'm going to have to move you around here. This is my Super Turtle shirt. I hope that's clearer. Maybe I should put my glasses on. What do you think? That seems very blurry to me, and if it is, I do apologize. I'm actually recording with the new phone for the first time. I think it was just my eyes, because with the glasses on, it's not very blurry. There. I have a Super Turtle. You see my Super Turtle? And he is a bottle of water, a spray bottle of water. And then you can look at the back. It says Super Turtles Unite. My Super Turtle was drawn and painted by a fellow YouTuber. His channel name is Drawing with Noel. I gave him a shout out once before because I really enjoy his channel. He's amazingly talented. He does an amazing job. I love watching him draw and paint on his channel. It's just very relaxing. I mellow right out when I watch it. I'll also link his channel in the description box below. So please check him out. Give him a like, comment, subscribe. Tell him I said hi and tell him I said thanks. I really am loving my Super Turtle. We did a collab on my Super Turtle. And the same day that I will be posting this video, he will be posting a video of him doing the actual drawing and painting of it. And I will put that link in the description box below as well. And there's the back of the mug. You know, I'm trying to follow my mouse through the phone and that's not working. So there's the mug. I put it on a sticker. And then I put it on a V-neck shirt. There are many colors available, so you can pick and choose what you want. But I love my turtle. I love my Super Turtle. And then I have Proud to be a Super Turtle. That comes in a round neck and a V-neck t-shirt, and also comes in the sticker. I tried to get all price range, you know, all wallet sizes, because these are kind of pricey. My son said their typical price for designer t-shirt, but you're talking to a lady that won't spend more than a quarter for a shirt at a yard sale, and that's where most of my clothes come from. So they seem pricey to me. So I tried to hit every wallet size. And then this one has to be one of my favorite. Catted up with attitude. She's got the attitude. And she is, after all, the star of the channel. And the back of that one is blank. All of these I have put into round neck, V-neck, the mug, and the sticker. So that hopefully everyone will have an opportunity. Take care and toodles. I gave as many color options as I was allowed to for each design, so you can pick and choose what color you want. It was kind of strange because some they would give you 20 color options, others they wouldn't. I like this one too. Nothing like boasting on my own work and saying which ones I like, but it's hi peoples. The back says, welcome to Addie's channel. And that one is also in a mug and in a sticker. So if you are interested, and there are a few other, yeah, Addie says she is interested. I made quite a few different designs. I was really having a lot of fun doing this, learning new techniques, new skills, and I was just enjoying it. But I sort of had to stop myself. I think I could have kept going on and on and on. But I have quite a few now, so hopefully I've managed to hit everyone's taste. But if you are interested and would like to purchase one, some of the profit will go to me, and I do appreciate it. Thank you very much in advance. If there's another design that you would like, I would probably have fun playing with that too. Just let me know. I hope you folks like it as much as I like doing it. I did put a lot of work and a lot of time and effort, especially cropping out the pictures. That was not the easiest task. I had to learn. I don't have what's it called, the photo editing software. So all I can say is thank you, YouTube videos, because after watching a couple of dozen of them, I learned how. But if you are interested in purchasing any of these, you can go, I will put the link in the description box below. You can go to teespring.com, that's T-E-E spring.com/stores/my-new-me. It's a mouthful, so following the link might be easier. Kind of fun designing them. I was a little surprised with how much I enjoyed designing them. And please give Noel a great big good job for my super turtle. Same day I post this video, he is going to post the video of him drawing the turtle with the 8,000 changes I asked him to make. That poor guy, he's got patience, that's for sure. So, but I think he did an amazing job at it. I will link his channel in the description box below, and once he posts the video of him drawing my little super turtle, I will link that video down there as well. Okay, well, thank you very much. As I said, I will link the store below. I have my own store on there. How cool is that? But if you do decide to make a purchase, thank you very much in advance. And once again, and as always, thank you for watching. Take care and toodles.